breaking inputs coming in on the broadcast. Times now has accessed fresh visual of Jasir Bilal Wani, a close aide of Umar Nabi, who allegedly drove the I-20 car that blew up near Red Fort on the 10th of November. He has been sent to 10 days of NI custody by the Patiala Court in Delhi. The alleged co-conspirator was arrested by the law enforcement agency, was arrested by NI, is now been sent to 10 days of NI custody. Let me go across to Bhavtosh, my colleague who's joining us on the broadcast with more details. Bhavtosh, there are fresh visuals coming to fore of Jasir Wani, the co-conspirator, part of the terror module, along with Umar Nabi. He will now be interrogated in the NI custody. The court has sent him to 10-day NI custody.
Yes, Swati, in fact, he was produced in the court at around 2 p.m. and then after 90 minutes of hearing, he has been remanded to 10 days custody. NIA informed the court that he was hired to make a drone. He was expert in making drones, and then he was told that you have to create or make precision rockets. Now, because of his knowledge about making these drones, they wanted to make him drones in which improvised explosive devices can be fixed. Now, the whole idea was to first carry out these rocket attacks and then subsequently use the car bombs. He was arrested yesterday and today he was produced in the court and then subsequently remanded for 10 days custody. It is likely that the two arrested could be confronted with each other. So far, two individuals have been arrested, and NIA has called this entire case as a terror case, a terror carnage in which individuals were not only involved in terror activities but also in terror conspiracy. They have further said that Omar is a suicide bomber, and the probe in this case continues.
All right, Bhavtosh, thank you very much. Thank you for getting us the details. We'll keep coming back to you for more inputs at the moment. Thank you for getting us all the inputs on this big story. The ambit of the investigation is widening. We're taking a very short break here. We'll be back with more stories on the other side.